If you need to know anything about the Supreme Court's ruling in favor of the baker who refused to make the same-sex wedding cake, it's this: it could have been much worse. Justice Anthony Kennedy, who handed down the 7-2 ruling in the Masterpiece Cakeshop case, was explicit about this. As he wrote in the decision's most important paragraph, the outcome of cases like this in other circumstances must await further elaboration in the courts, all in the context of recognizing that these disputes must be resolved with tolerance, without undue disrespect to sincere religious beliefs, and without subjecting gay persons to indignities when they seek goods and services in an open market. What this means, in short, is that the Supreme Court has punted on the broader issues involved, narrowing its ruling to the specific circumstances of this individual case, and that what it said should not be interpreted as giving other businesses carte blanche to do what Jack Phillips, owner of Masterpiece Cakeshop, did. The basic facts of the case. Let's back up a bit. Prior to the ruling, LGBTQ advocates were seriously worried about the potential repercussions of this case, what it meant not just for Masterpiece Cakeshop's practices but for other businesses like it. Phillips said that he's allowed to cite his sincerely held religious beliefs to discriminate against same-sex couples looking for a wedding cake because he genuinely opposes same-sex marriage. He pointed to the First Amendment as his shield. The Colorado Civil Rights Commission and lower courts ruled against Phillips, finding that he had illegally discriminated when he refused to make a wedding cake for Charlie Cray and David Mullins, the same-sex couple. Phillips appealed those lower rulings to the Supreme Court. LGBTQ advocates worried that if the Supreme Court ruled in favor of Phillips, it could give businesses a license to discriminate because, in effect, any business could cite its religious beliefs to discriminate against LGBTQ people. That would open a hole in laws that ban anti-LGBTQ discrimination in the workplace, housing, public accommodations which include businesses open to the public, like Phillips's, and schools.